Want to dress like this? But you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. This video will provide you with an overview of the light academia aesthetic, a guide to the wardrobe, makeup, and websites of the light academia fashion style. Let us begin. Light academia is a fashion aesthetic characterized by its romanticized portrayal of academic and literary pursuits, drawing its inspiration from classic literature, art, and intellectualism. The light academia aesthetic also extends beyond fashion choices to encompass an overall ambience and aesthetic preference. Enthusiasts of this style often have a fondness for literature, poetry, philosophy, and history, and often gravitate towards settings with a timeless and nostalgic feel, such as old libraries, cozy cafes, historic buildings, or natural landscapes with a sense of tranquility. Now let's get into the fundamental pieces of this aesthetic. As we begin the exploration of the light academia aesthetic, it's wise to approach your wardrobe with intentionality and care. Start by adding and selecting a few pieces that capture the essence of the style, and from there, work your way to expand your wardrobe. These essentials serve as the foundation for your light academia wardrobe. Tops: 1 turtleneck, 1 white collared shirt, 2 cropped vests, 2 shirts, 2 oversized sweaters, bottoms: 2 pleated wide leg pants, pleated shorts, 2 skirts, outwear: 1 trench coat, socks: thigh-high white socks, short white socks, shoes: loafers, chunky shoes. If you find yourself desiring more clothing pieces, here are some optional items. Tops: 1 cable knit sweater, 1 satin shirt, and 1 cable knit vest. Sweaters: 2 off-the-shoulder shirts, 3 tops, bottoms, outwear: 1 blazer, shoes: Converse, color palette. Color is integral to enhancing the allure of the light academia aesthetic, as it sets the tone for its refined ambience. The colors that belong to this fashion style include white, beige, light gray, khaki, taupe, dusty green, dusty pink, and chocolate brown. Textures. Textures improve the timeless elegance of the light academia aesthetic, adding both depth and sophistication to outfits while evoking intellectualism and nostalgia. Argyle, cashmere, cable knit, silk, tweed, and wool are some of the textures of this aesthetic. Accessories. Accessories play a crucial role in enhancing this aesthetic, serving as essential elements that radiate grace and intellectualism. Here are some accessories that belong to this fashion style. Headbands, leather belts, pearl necklaces, pearl bracelets and earrings, hairpins and clips, tote and saddlebags, For the light academia aesthetic, makeup is often subtle and natural, enhancing one's features while maintaining an understated elegance. To successfully pull off light academia-styled makeup, start with a light dewy foundation or tinted moisturizer to create a fresh and radiant complexion. Apply a neutral eyeshadow in soft, earthy tones like taupe or beige and focus on a modest look with minimal shimmer. Define the eyes with a thin line of brown eyeliner or mascara to add gentle definition without appearing too heavy or dramatic. Choose a soft, rosy blush to add a hint of warmth to the cheeks, blending it gently for a natural flush. Finish the look with a sheer lip color in shades of nude or dusty rose, providing a delicate touch of color without overpowering the overall clean and put-together vibe of this aesthetic. Assuming you're drawn to the elegance and sophistication of light academia fashion, you'll find a variety of online retailers offering pieces that reflect this aesthetic. Websites that offer this kind of clothing include Shein, Zara, H&M. Embrace the intellectual allure of the light academia aesthetic as you curate your wardrobe with pieces that reflect the charm of this style. Whether you're exploring vintage boutiques or modern retailers, may your journey to this aesthetic be filled with creativity, sophistication, and delight. Thank you for watching. Until next time.